Hey everyone, check out the Made in Cookware ProCoat non-stick 3-piece frying pan set featuring 8, 10, and 12-inch pans. These pans have a professional-grade non-stick coating that lets you cook healthy meals without using oil. The stainless Clad base combined with 2 layers of non-stick coating makes these pans last 70 times longer than ceramic cookware. Cleanup is a breeze because the ultra-slick surface lets food slide off easily, saving you time and effort. Proudly crafted in Italy by skilled artisans, this set uses premium metals for durability and excellent heat distribution. Plus, the pans are induction-compatible, making them perfect for any kitchen setup. Upgrade your cooking experience with this durable, easy-to-clean, and health-conscious frying pan set. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.